You're probably here because you just typed in how to start a small business in India from home. Thanks to the internet, that is actually very easy today. There are lots of companies out there that offer their services, and the other day that I was surfing around, I happened to run across a company, big international company with a great reputation, and they offer you to team up with them. That means you get a business within the business promoting their products or service. So it's very important when you are looking for a business that is something that you can be proud of, something that that really ignites you, that get you excited, because you need to have the excitement when you promote your business. So just a couple of tips. When you do your research, make sure that the company has been at least 8 to 10 years on the market, because then you're pretty sure that it will still be there in the years to come. Another thing is, it requires a lot of discipline to work your business from home, because there will naturally be a lot of distractions. If you have a family, your kids, make a deal with them that when you reach a certain point, then you will go on vacation or some other treat for the family. Then you engage them in your business. And then you set up hours where you have your business hours, and you set up hours when you're together with the family. Then the family knows when you are accessible. Yeah, this was just a couple of tips and tricks to make it easier for you. But if you would like to see what I'm up to, you're welcome to click the big button below. Have fun!